Hi friends, let me show you this new harmonic balancer pulley puller that I received for reviewing purposes. This is what you get in the box, the actual user manual. A set of gloves to work so you protect your hands and you can do it more comfortable. This is the puller body. As you can see, it has 3 jaws to do the job. Every jaw have their own retaining pin. Okay, so the jaw will stay in its place. This is the wave washer. You screw it here. This is the pressure screw, okay, the smaller one. And these 3 are the insert rods from 4 inches to 6.5 inches. This is a 5 and a 13.32 inches, okay? So you have to determine first which insert rod will work best to remove the crankshaft pulley, okay? This is an ideal for removing damper pulleys in tight engine compartments without removing the radiator. It can work with Chevy, General Motors, Chrysler, Cadillac, Ford cars. It's really compatible. And if you need this kind of equipment, if you are going to do this kind of job, or if you have a workshop to fix cars, this is a great option to have, okay? So if you need this kind of equipment, if you are going to fix your own car, or if you have a workshop or a place to fix cars, this is a great option for you, okay? So it comes in a nice briefcase, and when you are finishing the job, you can put everything back in the briefcase and put it away, protected and away from dust or grease or whatever. So great accessory if you need to work on your car in these parts. Thank you.